Hey, we're back. Today is the 30th, as you know, Thursday, and your morning work is 33.4 and your math is RWPW 127. So make sure, I think I've got a bump right there. Make sure you have that ready, okay? So notice going across the top, you have again your addition and subtraction mixed. So be careful for that. All right, I don't see any reason why we need to do any of that together. Just remember, if you've got more on the floor, you need to go next door. I don't see any problems there. And then you write the value of the underlined digit. So if you have 407, the value of the 4 would be 400, right? So you write the entire 400. The number was 407, they underlined the 4. That equals 400. So you should be fine. And then it says to fill in the circle beside the correct plural form. You have more than one tooth. So do you have tooths, teeths, or teeth? Which one? Teeth, plain old teeth. More than one child. Do you have two childs, two children, or two children's? Children. Good. Okay, and we see the word children in the sentence below. The children care for the animals in the barn. And your words are supplies and calves. Notice that one baby cow is a calf, but you have more than one, you change the F to a V and you add a S, more than one. So, supplies and calves on store the we oxen shelves. Oxen are cattle, right? So, number 1 would be we, because that is your only capital. We what? The children care for the animals, so you've got to have supplies to take care of them. Apparently you get them from, is it that you get them from the store? On the store shelves? What would it be? We and the supplies? No. The word store here, instead of it being a noun, is actually more of a verb, something you do. We store. So that means we put it away, we keep it. I store like my milk in the refrigerator. I store, say, cereal in the cabinet. So we store number 2. The number 3, we store the oxen. 4 and 5 calves. Good. They're what? Supplies. Where? On the shelves. So we store the oxen and calves, supplies, 7 on 8, the 9 shelves. Okay, number 10. So you should be perfectly good to finish that yourself. And let's look at RWPW 127. Here it is, these are word problems, obviously. Up at the top, it says Paco has 4 dogs. He feeds each dog 5 biscuits. So it looks like we have even sets, doesn't it? Looks like we could be talking multiplication here, because you have the same number of items in each set. So it says, what do you know? Well, we know he has 4 dogs. You circle that. We know he has, each dog gets 5 biscuits. You circle that. And then what do you need to find out? How many biscuits are there in all? You draw a line under that. And then how do you solve the problem? You write a number sentence. You could draw a picture. And then you show your answer. So it says draw a picture to solve, write a number sentence. Okay, we'll keep our pictures simple. There are 3 cats. Circle 3 cats. Each cat has 5 toys. If I could put that there, I don't know if you'd be able to see it. Probably not. So you have 3 cats. So here are your cats. Cat 1, cat 2, cat 3. There they are. Those are cats. Do you have to do this? No. Anyway, 3 cats. Each cat has 4 toys. Okay? Each cat has 4 toys. You circle 4 toys. Underline how many toys do they have in all. Well, over here you have your, where you write your number sentence. Probably in that box is where you were supposed to do the picture, right? It doesn't matter. You could do it underneath it. You could do it in the box, whatever rings your chimes, okay? So we have how many cats? We have 3, and we do the times sign, multiplication sign, because these are even groups. They each have 4. We have 3 sets of 4. 3 times we have 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Remember that? Counting by 4s. Try it. Ready, go. 4, 8, 12, 6. Some of you guys are too fast. 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. That's fun. Yahoo! Right? Counting by 4s. All right, and then under toys, right before toys, you put 12. So you don't forget your answer. Okay, so next page, that's what you're doing. You're drawing a picture. Mario has 7 boxes. Circle 7 boxes. He puts 2 erasers in each box. Underline how many erasers are there in all. So what you need for that are 7 boxes. So go ahead and draw 7 boxes. Put 2 erasers in each box. Pause me if you need to, okay? We want to find out how many erasers there are all together. And all together is adding, and all together is multiplying. Remember how they're related? This could be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, right? That's adding all together. But we know a shortcut, don't we? So our shortcut is multiplication. How many boxes are there? 7. 7 times we have 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're just counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? So there are 14 erasers altogether. Great. Okay, number 2. There are 9 girls on the playground. Circle 9 girls. There are 8 boys on the playground. How many children are on the playground? 9 girls, 8 boys. Are these equal sets? No, they aren't. There's 9 girls. Let's put 9 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 girls on the playground. 8 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to know how many there are altogether. So your number sentence would be an addition sentence. 9 plus 8, right? You have to add that up. 9 plus 9 is 18, so 1 less than 18 would be 17, and then you put your 17 children, okay? So not everything is multiplying, okay? Just remember, you have to have groups that contain the same amount of whatever you're talking about, okay? So let's look at the bottom where it says choose a strategy. That means probably, are you going to add, are you going to subtract, or are you going to multiply? So it does say we can choose to write a number sentence. We can choose to draw a picture. What makes sense? So number 3 says Jenna has 3 quarters, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. So I think a good thing to do would be to draw out 3/4. That's just the way I think. 2 nickels. And was that 5 pennies? 4 pennies. Alrighty, she buys some juice for 63 cents. How much does she have left? Well, we don't even know how much money she has. We just know that she's got that. But we need to know the total value. So we're going to have to add that up, right? So just draw out 3/4, 2 nickels, 4 pennies. And let's see what we've got. Ready? Remember how to count by 25s? 25, 50, 75, so that makes 75 cents. Now we're counting by 5s. 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So put 89 cents is her total. She buys some juice for 63 cents. Did you circle buys juice? 63 cents. How much does she have left? That sounds like subtraction. So go ahead and say she's got 89 cents. We're going to take away what she spends, the 63 cents, see what she's got left over. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 take away 6, 2. So how much money does she have left over? 26 cents goes on that line. So don't just put 26 cents in line. You've got to show, how did you get to 26 cents? What was your strategy? Did you multiply? Did you add? Well, we added first and then we subtracted, right? We added up what she had and we took away what she spent, okay? So as we know, there are math problems that require more than one operation, right? Now, number 4, Benson is thinking of a number. His number is even. It is greater than 16 and less than 20. So if his number is greater than 16, you got 16, what have you got? 17, 18, 19, 20. His number could be any one of those. Well, let's write what those numbers are. 17, 18, 19, 20. So his number is greater than 16, so 16 is less, but it's less than 20. So it's one of these numbers. How do we pick which number? Our other clue is that the number is even. Remember your even numbers? They have to end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Which one of these is even? You're right, 18. So your answer is 18. Okay, so that's how you would figure that out. Okay, so go ahead and finish what you need to finish, and I'll see you in a little while for your math assignment, okay? All right, see you later.